Today it's time to dress up the wheels by covering up those brake calipers. Follow along. So all we're going to do is really just cover up these stock gray brake calipers there with a little more clean, gloss black look. It's not going to be groundbreaking or anything, but it's just going to complete that clean gloss black look with the wheel more in the background, and same with the rear wheel. It's not going to be incredibly noticeable, but I'll notice. But what these do is it actually helps there to be less brake dust on the wheels. So these wheels are actually very dusty now, but I will be wiping them down later. But it just gives a nice clean gloss cover on the outside. Just these there, they go right over it, and it will complete the look in the background. But it does also prevent brake dust from forming and getting onto all of your wheels. So next thing I'm going to do is actually move my vehicle from my driveway and park it on a more level level floor, because I'm going to have to jack up all the tires. And so to start, I got my car parked out here on the level parking spaces. I have my jack stands there, torque wrench there with the wheel lock key, also my 2-ton trolley jack, as well as the caliper covers there. My dad's actually on his way. He wanted to help me out with these. I said, oh, let's do it. He's been a great help with a lot of the things we've done so far, especially with the front end, as most of you remember. Morimoto headlights, the Fang lights there, swapped out the grille, put the TRD Pro front and rear valance. Also did the LED grill lights there. It's been quite a process so far. So this would be the next aesthetic thing to put on the outside again, just to cover the brake caliper covers, the brake calipers there. Stay tuned, about to start. Okay, now that we got the car jacked up,
see if you can wiggle that bugger in.
Got the tire removed. Now we're installing the rear driver's side. So for those of you looking to put these on yours, clip goes in the front, just through that way. Same with the bottom, just have to push it through.
Wait, before you take the video, let me make sure that thing line up. Should line up with that hole over?
No, we gotta finagle a little bit to adjust. Alright, so you got these two in place up there. This is for the back caliper. And then what you have to do is put one side on, like so. And the second side, it's not going to fit perfectly, but you're just going to have to make it fit by pulling it down, and there you go. And then we'll put the caps on it.
GTG.
And the rear driver's side caliper is...
So I line this up, then they make them tight.
There is a little test paper that it comes with to make sure that it's not like rubbing the caliper. Okay, that's what it looks like there.
Small wrench. Hopefully this one.
All right, make some space there. Take your 3/8" ratchet. Tighten that one. Still got some wiggle room with that. Ah, good. There we go. One down. Alright, I think it looks pretty good so far. I'm going to roll this tire back on. Those of you that were asking, this is the 275 55 R20. That's the size of tire we have there. And we'll see what it looks like. Get the tire loosened, moving on to the front tire. Now we're going to try a different jack. For the front, we're going to have these brackets here, a little bit different than the two clips that you'll get on the back bracket. Now, what we want to do is slide those and start from the bottom around that little rod there. Then just kind of force it, you're pulling it straight up to it clips, and then that inside clip right there will grab the inside of the caliper housing. It's that simple to install the bracket for the covers. Okay. One thing about the front is that it does sit a little snug. You have to try and force it as far as you can away from the rim, because the rims, if you don't set it correctly, the rim could actually rub against it. There it is. It's a 3/8" ratchet. And that's the finished product now for the front. We'll put the rim back on, see what it looks like.
Yeah.